In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Gcash and install it again. If your app is crashing, acting slow, or you want a clean slate, a quick reinstall often fixes issues without affecting your Gcash account or balance. Uninstalling only removes the app from your device. Your account and funds remain safe on Gcash's servers. A quick heads up before we begin. You'll need a working internet connection and to be signed into the Google Play Store. Reinstalling also clears temporary files and refreshes the app to the latest available version, which is why it's such a reliable fix for glitches. First, find the Gcash icon on your phone's home screen or in the app drawer. Press and hold the icon until a small menu appears or the icons begin to wiggle and show options. Look for Uninstall. On many Android phones, you'll see an Uninstall button right above or below the icon, or an App Info option that leads to Uninstall. On some devices, you may need to drag the icon up to an uninstall area at the top of the screen. Tap Uninstall, then confirm when your phone asks if you're sure. The app will be removed in a few seconds. If you don't see the option immediately, keep holding the icon a moment longer to bring up the full menu. Now, let's install it again. Open the Google Play Store. At the top, tap the search bar and type Gcash. Find the official Gcash app, usually shown with the familiar blue logo. Tap Install. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and enough storage space so the download completes smoothly. You'll see a progress bar while it downloads and installs. This can take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes, depending on your connection speed. Wait patiently until the installation finishes successfully. You'll know it's done when the install button changes to open and the Gcash icon appears back on your home screen or in your app drawer. If the Play Store asks for any confirmations or permissions, just follow the on-screen prompts. If the download seems stuck, try briefly switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or closing and reopening the Play Store. If you still don't see Uninstall from the long press, the App Info screen that appears after holding the icon will include the Uninstall button. That's it. Simple, clean, and effective. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you refresh your Gcash app quickly and confidently.